Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of ileum per histology practical and slide. There are three identification points of ileum. Number one, club shaped or round villi with microvilli. Number two, Peyer's patches is present. Number three, maximum goblet cells. These are three identification points of ileum per histology, practical and slide. I already upload detailed explanation video of ileum on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. Now I will upload these identification points also. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, each slide detailed explanation video and each slide identification points video. If you like my videos, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. If you new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.